Hi friends, you are great and you are willing to select a wonderful theme. And if you are in plan for making a website for hospital or clinic or dentist or medical or any health related services, this video is for you. Today I have a great WordPress theme called Mecare. This is a specifically WordPress theme for hospital and health management system website, and the theme has been developed by SH Theme. It is actually a very new theme, so it is going to create a unique website for you, as it has very less number of cells as of now, and it is just created just 2 months back, 3 months back, and it comes with Elementor page builder, Redux theme option, and 600 plus Google fonts, and it has all the advanced feature which is required nowadays and matches the technology. If we talk about the demo website, it has 3 homepage style. First is general homepage. This is having a very advanced look. Second is slider, and third is video. I'll show you all three, and I am also going to give the link of this demo at the description of this video, along with the link of my website where you can get this theme. What you need to subscribe this channel and get this theme, and we can go ahead for installing the Mecare WordPress theme, as I am going to show you in this video, and it is going to be a wonderful catch for you for your hospital website. No doubt it is wonderful and it works very fine. I have seen the code quality, it is really great, and the developer has used clean code and very standard quality of development, and you can see it has the great impact on the website as well, and it is presenting a very professional website, and you can choose this theme without any doubt for your hospital and health related website. And this is the another demo. This is with slider, and rest of things are almost common. And third one is the website with the video slider. This is also very good, so you can choose any out of these three as per your need and choice. And in this video we are going to install Mecare WordPress theme in a fresh installation of WordPress. I have the latest version of WordPress installed with me, and the 2021 default WordPress theme is here, and I got the theme pack as well. And in the theme pack I got data export. This is for manual import of demo content, documentation, licensing, and the main theme file, child theme file is here. Now without any further delay we can start the installation, and we will also import the demo content, preview the theme options, and also see the basic customization options what is available with this theme. Go to the WordPress theme section. For installing the theme, click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here you need to choose mecare.zip file, and if you are having direct access on your server you can upload the same to the WP content themes folder. Both activities are same, don't get confused. Either you can upload the theme using WordPress interface, or you can directly upload on your server. I have chosen to upload on server, at it never gets failed in fact, and the theme file size is bit high as it contains multiple necessary files and folders with it, and it may take 2-3 minutes in uploading, but it is fine, and let the process to be completed, and we have to be here until it gets complete. And once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file, and the extraction outcome is this Mecare folder in which we got all the theme components. Demo content is also here. All files and folders are here. Now we can delete the zip one. Now go to the WordPress theme section again, and now we have Mecare as another theme option. Let us check the details. It is Mecare version 1.0, Mecare Hospital and Health WordPress theme. Mecare theme is for medical and hospitals. It is a modern trending design to boost your business. We have built this theme based on in-depth research on hospital, health and insurance business, tailored to your need and to the expectation of your clients. Okay, fine. That is good introduction of Mecare WordPress theme, and we can activate it now. Upon activation, we got an alert that we need to install certain plugins. Let us check what are these. These are the list of plugins, and this theme uses Elementor page builder, the latest and widely being used page builder, and the classic editor is also here. Contact Form 7, Mecare Common and Mecare Elementor, one-click demo import, and other two are also here. So I am choosing to install all the plugins in one go, and if you are not confident about your server capacity, just install the plugin one by one to avoid an error. And if you are in plan for making a purchase of hosting with WP themes, you can do so to get the same quality server. And now all the plugins has been installed, and we can now activate the installed plugins, and now all plugins has been activated. Now go to the dashboard just to check whether it redirects for further setting or not. But it just landed on the value enter welcome page, and all is fine. Now we can take a look of our website, how it looks with the theme and plugins. Of course, this is the basic look of Mecare WordPress theme, and it is of course without any demo content, and it is actually presenting a wonderful impression at the very beginning without any demo content. And now at this stage we need to have demo content to make a target website like this, or any of this out of 3. We can choose any. So I'll now find where the demo content importer option is given. Since we have already installed the one-click demo importer, it should be under appearance. Yes, it is in appearance. It is import demo data. And now we have all 3 choices are here, and we can choose, you can choose any as per your choice. I am choosing the first one and considering this as the default, and just click on import, and it is showing that, are you sure? Yes, we are sure. Yeah. So now the demo import is being processed, and it may take some time because it downloads all the media files, necessary other files, and we have to be here on this screen without any refresh or leaving this screen. Just let the process to be complete, and you will reach on this screen. That's it, all done. And now we can deactivate and delete the one-click demo importer plugin. It has done its job. Now it is time to relook our website, and yes, a wonderful website is here with us. And now what you need next, just to put your own original content and you are ready to go. We have got a wonderful website in this activity, and this is the doctor appointment system. Select the department, and this is also very wonderful feature. And I think menu is not here. Let us check. So okay, menu should be here, and I believe menu has not been assigned or menu is not available in the demo. Let us check, and then I'll show you the theme options as well. Go to the dashboard, and go to the appearance, menus, and primary menu is here, so it should be displayed on the page as well. We just need to assign. Yes, it is primary menu and the service menu. Just hit on save changes. Now it should be fine. Yes, so now the activity is complete. We got menu as well, and the website is complete. Let us check the inner pages. Just for this page does not exist. Okay, so not a problem. We'll check why this page is not available, and about us page is here. So I'll fix this issue as well. Sorry, this if you face this issue, what you can do, since pages are here and it is not working, navigation is not working, so it must be a setting error in permalinks. So what we can do, go to the settings, permalinks, post name, and it should be on post name, and hit on save changes. Again hit on save changes just twice, and now visit the site. It should work now, and yes, that is my wonderful experience. That it is a very good tweak. In fact, I have seen in some of the themes this trouble, but it has a very simple fix which I did here, and now every page is available. Services, and I like this theme very much. So if you are in plan for making a hospital website, clinic website, this theme is for you only, and you never believe this actually works very fine, and it is a fast loading theme in fact. So this button can be used for various uses, so you can customize this theme. Now I'll show you the theme options, what is available for handling this theme, and yes, so in the theme options, header, widgets, and background, and so Mecare options is here. Just we can take a quick look of settings. This is in fact a broad setting, and general setting is here, so we can put social media links through this setting. Blog setting, services setting, so detail banner unit, service details banner use, and service details, project setting, 404, header setting, and this is button and link to button, footer setting, styling options, options object, and import export. So all things are here to control your website, and this is the services area where you can add services, and it is simple, and I'll show you the screen. This is simple to use, and classic editor is also active, so you can simply put the content here and it will work fine. And services are here available like this. So 24 health program is here. So this is the service area page, and it looks like this, and it is having a very wonderful and modern advanced look in fact. And fine, it is good to go. And now I'll show you other options what is available. This is projects, and it is also having similar interface, and projects are available. Okay, so you can use projects for I'll show you the dental project page. This is the dental project page. It is also similar but having some additional information like doctors schedules are here, so it is wonderful. And now I'll show you the next team option is also here, so you can add team members from here. Basically this is the page, this is the area where you can add doctors and the medical facilitators. So let us see what is here. And this is the profile page. In fact, the team profile page is here, so it is wonderful. So everything is here what you need. And what is next? So rest of things are common as in WordPress, and that is fine. So now I'll show you to how to edit any page. Let us assume we need to edit the home page content. Just go to the page, and since this theme uses the Elementor, we can click on edit with Elementor. Whatever page you want to edit, just open that page and hit on edit with Elementor. And Elementor takes time in loading, so it is fine. And just click on the area whatever you want to edit, and it is simple. And you can edit the text content like this. So this text can be edited from this screen, and any of other text you can edit simply. So Elementor is so easy to use, so no technical knowledge is required, and any non-technical person can do this activity without any trouble. So it is fairly simple. And now I have shown you everything, and I don't think you need any help from developer and so, but yes, you may have some questions, so don't hesitate in asking your question. In the description I am giving you the link of my website where you can go to the page of listing of this theme, and you can get this theme and also ask direct question from me. I am very interactive, rest assured. I will definitely answer your all your question and will try to solve all your queries. So I am here with you, and we will complete a wonderful website for you definitely. So, and I assume you have already subscribed this channel. If not, just ring the bell and subscribe the channel. I am going to bring wonderful themes, plugin and utilities for you. Thanks for watching.